Hello and welcome to the video where I will show you how to factory reset your iPhone 11, especially useful if you've lost or forgotten the password. What's important to note is this will wipe all of the data from the iPhone, so hopefully you have a backup already, or you just accept that all the data will be gone. Another thing to bear in mind is that when the phone restarts, it will ask for the password for the Apple ID associated with the phone. So hopefully you will have that. Otherwise, you will need to make arrangements to get that removed. So let's get started. We need to first off put the phone into the correct mode so the Mac Catalina will recognize it. So what we need to do for that is press the volume up, press the volume down and hold the power button. So let's do that. So we press it up, press down and hold the power button. And we continue to hold the power button. We're not going to slide to power off. Keep holding it. We get a blank screen. We'll get the Apple logo and we're holding on for the computer logo. So I'm still holding the power button. My fingers and thumbs are off the volume. And very shortly, we have the logo. Great. Now let's go and have a look at the computer. It says here there's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So we're going to go for the restore. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased. So we'll go for restore and update. Here it just tells you the iOS, which is 13.3.1, and this will start to come down after we agree here. Okay, your Mac is downloading the software for this iPhone and will restore your iPhone when the download is complete. This is as much information as it gives right now. If you look over on this side of the screen, you can see these two arrows swirling around, and that just indicates that the download is in progress. So I'm going to fast forward this bit. Okay, your phone has been restored to factory settings and is restarting. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the sidebar after it restarts. So we are nearly there, gentlemen and ladies. Let's click OK. And if you look at the phone, we have the Apple logo. And just so you know, the whole process took around 13 minutes. But again, this is going to depend on, number one, how quick your broadband is, because we downloaded the iOS first. So that takes a little bit of time. And then once that's downloaded, the phone updates the software. Okay, there we have it. The iPhone is ready for use. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you found this useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Lets me know it's working and others know too. I just want to wish you a great day.